Okay, so estar is used to describe temporary states such as emotions, locations, conditions, and ongoing actions. So you are studying here with me. So você está estudando. Você está estudando. Say with me. Eu estou estudando. I'm studying. Okay? So this is something temporary, something you're doing at that moment. And so it's used for situations that can change or have changed. Let's see some examples to make this more clear for you. For example, to express emotions. If you want to say, I'm happy now, like you mean, you are happy at this moment, something happened that made you happy. You can say, eu estou feliz. Or you can say without the person, remember? So the verb conjugated in this way, you don't need to say eu. I know you're talking about eu. So you can just say estou feliz. Estou feliz. See that the Z at the end of the word sounds more like an S. So estou feliz. Okay? I am happy. But if you are happy most of the times, or let's say you reached a time in your life where you are fulfilled, you are happy, you can say eu sou feliz. Sou feliz. Okay? That gives more of a permanent idea than estou feliz. Tell me here in the comments, are you happy? Are you happy just now? Você está feliz? Você está feliz hoje? Today? Or você é feliz? Are you happy? Most of the times. Are you happy? Você é feliz? Tell me here in the comments. Okay, so to describe temporary conditions such as weather, for example. So if you say, está frio hoje. Está frio hoje. It is cold today. So frio is cold. Okay? And one more time, it is conjugated with está. Okay? It's like it is. Está frio hoje. Today is cold. If I say é frio na Rússia, it is cold in Russia. I mean, like, it's always cold there. Russia is a cold country, so é frio na Rússia. But if I want to say that only today is cold in Russia, I say está frio na Rússia. Okay? Do you get it? So in Brazil would be the opposite. É calor no Brasil. So I'm saying é because Brazil is known for being a tropical country, so most of the time it's hot. Okay? But if I want to say está calor no Brasil, I mean it is hot in Brazil now because we're in the summer. Okay? So to talk about weather, if it's temporary, if it's today, for example, you are going to use the verb estar. If it's something that is permanent, you're gonna use the verb ser. Okay? Great. And to indicate locations. Locations like where you are located at this time. Okay? So if I say, ela está em casa. She is at home. Ela está em casa. That's like something temporary. So right now she's at home, maybe later she won't be. So está. Okay? But if you want to say like permanent conditions, if you want to ask someone, for example, oh, where is that store? Onde é aquela loja? For example, you use é. So, a loja é, the store is, naquela rua, on that street, okay? So, é, something permanent, okay? Something temporary, when you are at some place, you're gonna use estar, okay? So, if I ask you, onde você está? I mean, where are you? Right now, where are you? Onde você está? Tell me here in the comments, where are you now? Onde você está? That's temporary. But if I ask you, de onde você é? De onde você é? I mean, where are you from? So that's permanent. Remember? De onde você é? Tell me that here in the comments. Tell me here. Eu sou da, I don't know, Irlanda. Ireland, okay? Or eu sou dos Estados Unidos. I'm from the United States, okay? So here's the difference between ser and estar to talk about locations, okay? You can also use these two to talk about ongoing actions. Like I told you, you can say, eu estou estudando. I am studying right now, okay? Eu estou estudando.